From January the 1st, 2021, new regulations were introduced with the aim of improving safety and clarity around drone use. Operations are now broken down into three main categories with subcategories. So we have the low risk open category, we have the medium risk specific category, and we have the high risk certified category. So the low risk category is aimed at the hobbyist, where the medium and high risk categories both require civil aviation application. So the PfCO qualifications have now been replaced with the GVC, and this is in the specific category. The A2 CofC is the most popular qualification, and this falls into the open category. So even if your drone is under 250 grams and is not a toy and has a camera, you still need to show a valid registration on your drone. As a customer, you don't need to know all the details. You just need to know that our pilots are qualified to fly within the parameters that you require. So although the regulations have changed, whether it be industrial, commercial, agricultural or real estate, you can still be guaranteed the same levels of professionalism and service from Kamara's pilots.